Come test drive the 2018 Audi Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power tailgate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, CD player, fog lights, panic alarm, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.